What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm gonna need you guys real quick just to, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I'm posting a new video. Help me out in the little algorithm and whatnot. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding, how do I start a YouTube channel? Do I need to buy this? Do I need to buy that? I'm so shy to post. How do you get out of your bubble? I've been getting a bunch of questions about basically how to start. I am here today to tell you how to start, and hopefully you guys could apply it to yourselves and it works out for you guys. So the very first thing obviously you're gonna need is some type of camera. I know I say camera, but honestly you do not even necessarily need a camera. You could use your phone. So when I started, I was using my iPhone, I want to say 8 Plus, I think. It worked honestly good. Like, I had no issues with it whatsoever, and I was able to record. I was able to, get good quality footage. So honestly, the very first thing I'm gonna tell you guys, do not spend your money on a camera right away, especially if you don't even know if you're gonna commit to like actually making videos for a good while. Cameras are not very cheap. So if you already have an iPhone, you are fine. If you guys do not have an iPhone, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not sure how good your quality is going to be. I'm not sure. So while you're recording on your phone, what I like to do is put my phone on airplane mode, so while I'm recording, it's not interrupted by calls, texts, etc., whatever, notifications, you're not distracted. So at least like that, you could get clean footage and it's pretty raw and natural. The next thing is, you do not need an expensive ring light. You do not need an expensive stand or anything like that. What I did at first is I just propped up my phone, like, landscape wise, and I had it like on some books. I had it on some pile up of stuff just to basically elevate my phone, and that worked out very fine. I got over that though, to be honest, and I ended up going on Amazon. I got a little small tripod and it was like less than $20. So that was a very good purchase for that. Or if you're vlogging, you don't even need it. You could just be walking around with it on your hand. Like, you don't need any type of tripod. But if you do want to get a tripod, I recommend Amazon because they are fairly cheap. But I am going to warn you, if you guys are strictly using your phone to record, I have a bad habit of taking my phone into the restroom with me. Like when I'm in the shower, I just have it next to me, but I'll check stuff sometimes. I actually messed up I think it's my front mic, and I had to get a new phone because I messed it up and my audio was so bad, like so bad. Like, you couldn't hear anything. All you could hear is the fan of the phone, and I messed it up because I chose to bring my phone in the shower. So do not do that, please, if you are strictly using your phone for that, because if you mess up your mic, like I said, you are not going to be able to record good content. For the lighting part of it, you do not need a ring light. I'm right now literally standing in front of my window, and if it's decently, lighted, you're fine. Just stand in front of it during the good time of the day, when the light is the best, I guess, and go from there. If you feel like that's not enough, then invest in a ring light, I guess, but it's definitely not needed. Another question I've been getting is, how do I edit my videos? When I first started out editing, I was very lost with a lot of stuff. I did not know how to edit. I did not know how to do anything at all whatsoever. So when I first started, I was using strictly iMovie, and that's a free app, obviously, if you have iPhone. But a lot of the features that I was looking for were not on iMovie, so I ended up downloading this other app, which I will probably link below if you guys want to try it out. It's called Vllo, I believe, and it has like a little fish, I think, in the front, like on the icon, but it is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I was really impressed with it and how easy and user-friendly it was. With that app, you do not have to pay for it. It is free, but you just get limited, features. I ended up paying for it, only $10, and I got everything, and it was pretty worth it, honestly. I still go from iMovie to that app, so I kind of switch back and forth depending on what kind of video I want to make, what kind of features I want to add, what type of little details. So those are the two apps I use. But like I said before, you do not need to pay for an app. It is totally doable for free. And with that being said, with the whole editing on my phone, you do not need a laptop. Honestly, I was not editing or posting on my laptop for a long time, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a little more time consuming But aside from that, it is very doable on your phone to post. I'm not gonna lie, a laptop is helpful, you know, makes it go by, I feel like it goes by a lot faster, and you have the liberty to use your phone while you're uploading and doing stuff, but you do not need it. I was perfectly fine uploading videos and uploading everything on my phone. So you do not need a laptop, you do not need a computer. Basically all that you need to do to actually create content, you know, you do not need to have the bougiest, most expensive stuff, because like I said, I was using strictly my phone for a good while, and I'm still using my phone, but now with uploading and editing I use my laptop. But I am going to give you guys some little tips that helped me, or you know, just in general, get out there a little bit more, get out of your little comfort zone. How do I even post it? I've already recorded content, I've already edited it, but I do not have the guts to post it. I don't know how to get out of my bubble. I'm so nervous, I'm so shy, I don't want to advertise for it. And literally all you have to do is just post it. Like, post that very first video and you'll be like, whatever, you'll get over it, and you're just like, oh, that wasn't so bad, you know? Like, it was so easy, and you just feel like, okay, it's fine, you know, now I'm out of my bubble, now I could comfortably post more. And you'll eventually not worry about what other people might think, or you'll eventually not worry about little insecurities, because you've already posted that first video and you're kind of like, all right, it's done. I ripped the band-aid off and you're good. Another tip I'm going to tell you guys is to create a custom thumbnail for your videos. And again, you could do that on your phone. I use the app Fonto. I will link that as well in the bio if I'm able. You know, I feel like creating a custom thumbnail is just a lot more eye-catching, and it kind of lets you express yourself a little more freely, instead of YouTube just kind of selecting a random still from your video, which is probably going to be blurry or just not good quality. So I recommend you guys to actually create your own thumbnail. Just a heads up, you know, like, I'm not guaranteeing you guys to get subscribers, to get views, you know, I'm still working on that too. So I'm not guaranteeing any of that. This is just for you guys to get out of your comfort zone. This is just for you guys to just start. In order for you guys to build a following is honestly just to be consistent. I try posting at least once a week. That's going to be my goal from now on. I did pass a little over a week, so hopefully that's not too bad. But you have to be consistent. You have to find your niche. You have to find what you're comfortable talking about or recording, or whatever it is that makes you you. Just find something. And if you're consistent, your people will find you. Your followers will stick around, you know? So just be consistent, do what you do, like what you do, because obviously I feel like subscribers can tell if you actually like what you're doing. You know, if you have that stink face, no one's gonna wanna watch you, you know? So find what you like, record it, and be consistent to build your following. That's gonna be all for today's video, you guys. Like I said, this is a pretty basic overview of how to start your channel with just using your iPhone. So if you guys were struggling with creating your first video, or struggling with posting your first video, you know, I hope you guys take these tips into consideration, because that's what helped me. That's how I started. So hopefully it helps you guys, you know? If you guys have not yet, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, even though I told you guys earlier you should. I will see you guys in my next video.